Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Sorry, I have to do audio only because I'm still not settled in Sri Lanka. Markets opened flat, but who would have expected that Nifty will close at all-time high today? It moved consistently higher. In fact, in the morning, the Bank Nifty was indicating, very big gap down. That is on top of Bank Nifty weakness for the last few trading sessions. And in the morning, I saw all the banking stocks. I think there are 6 banks in Nifty 50. And if you look at the top 7 bottom stocks, means like the bottom 7 stocks, the 6 stocks were banking stocks. Later, as the trading progressed, and the banking stocks came under severe shorts covering. And that was the reason why Nifty consistently moved non-stop from the morning and closed at all-time high. And today, as expected, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers, and they both bought for more than 2,500 crores. Otherwise, how can the market move like this, like 400 point in Nifty, and that too without any intraday selling? IT, auto, metals, all have outperformed. It was a broad-based rally. All indices, mid cap, small cap, Nifty, next 50, everything went up. And all sectoral indices also went up. Now, what is going to happen from here? So that's the question. If you can remember, few months before, what happened for every month? Every month, first trading session, markets rallied. And after that, that market has never tested the first trading session's low. That pattern was observed for I think about 5-6 months, I think. So if that has to repeat now, Nifty should not fall below 24,400 in this series. That's the August series. So, but that looks very, very bullish. I do not know, like what is the kind of budget we had? What is the kind of sell-off we had? For the last 5 trading sessions, Nifty continuously closed lower. 5 days markets are falling. In just one day, the entire 5 days loss wiped out and closing higher. So this is just a crazy bull market, I would say. But at the same time, this is definitely time to be more cautious. Even the experts are saying, the valuation seems to be a bit higher compared to the global markets. Large caps are fairly valued and mid cap and small caps are richly valued. So that is, of course, what is the right value? What is the rich value? What is the fair value? It's subject to one's own interpretation. But this is what actually I feel. So definitely one has to be cautious. I still feel that, the market upside, may not be very high, uh, but we cannot say anything. Markets are markets. And there is no rationale behind this kind of a rally. Even the global markets are correcting. Even the US markets, you see, even the Nasdaq has corrected about nearly 8-10% in last 1 week. But, we are closing at all-time high. So looking at the open interest, 24,500 put option as the highest open interest in August series. So that's very, very surprising and more bullishness. But however, if you want to be on the safe side, 24,000 will be definitely a good support. The resistance at this point of time, let us not talk because market closed at all-time high. We'll just wait for 1 or 2 more days. And meanwhile, so there's one interesting video I'll be coming out with tomorrow. My view of the market for the next 4-5 months. Markets are definitely, looking to be more euphoric, but that is really, really surprising. Actually, yesterday I shot the video for tomorrow. I said, markets are not, markets will become skeptical. But, today's rally may prove me wrong. but I still hold my view. This is definitely time to be cautious. So the whole day I was traveling, I did not watch the markets, so I just collected few information to speak with you. The rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.